So I woke up this morning and I'm like, wow, we're green. Everything's green. We're pumping. Maybe this is the reversal. This is it, right? This is it. We're going to finally start the bull run. Here's the bottom. But if you guys recall, it's very difficult to time a bottom here because all it takes is one sentence from Elon Musk or Trump and boom, we go down. So unfortunately, I had to tell everyone this morning in the Discord, I'm like, hey, so yeah, the usual sell-off as expected, no surprises there. No point in buying anything right now, right? Just let it come down lower at this point. And yeah, I woke up at like 8:12 a.m. and I'm like, stock market getting some upside here. But remember, we've seen this already over and over again where we are green in pre-market and then we dump rest of the day. So par for the course, and Chevalok here, he would always get excited like, oh my God, green, woo! And then they would, yeah. And then it would go down. So that's typical for a bear market. That's what you would expect. If anything, if you're short, go ahead and short the pops. That's just the bear market special right there. But for those of us who like to go longs, of course, I looked at KULR stock and I'm like, are we going to start pumping here? And then I realized, no, we're not going to start pumping. This is nothing more than a pullback in the downtrend, and we're going to continue lower. And this just happened across the markets as a whole. So, KULR stock and everything else, even Nvidia, everyone was like, oh my God, Tesla, Nvidia, woo, right? And we just pulling back anyways. Unless we close with strength today, I wouldn't expect much. Another thing I'm looking out for, and I should have mentioned this yesterday because I don't think I mentioned this yesterday. I believe we could potentially, but I'm not saying it will happen. Since we don't really have a history of this, I was going to say we could potentially move, to the upside in anticipation of earnings. But as we look at these candles, you can see every time we have earnings, we just drop anyways. We just drop lower. So it doesn't bode well. So I'm still going to continue with, not buying anything just yet. Let's just wait for $1 and under. Could literally go back to 20 cents at this point with the way the market is moving. We don't know how long this is going to last. What we do know is there's going to be a lot of pain, and it's nothing more than opportunity. So there you go. Those are my thoughts right now on the market and KULR stock. KULR stock, again, maybe we get a run up on earnings. I'm doubtful. Even today's pump it was just destroyed. Like this, like it was just completely taken out, wiped out here. Don't be surprised if it just comes down with a big red candle right into 107. Like it just. Welcome to Trump's bear market. Enjoy, and there's a lot of stocks right now under that 200. So a lot of opportunity out there right now. A lot of opportunity. Well, except for Rigetti, apparently it still hasn't come to the 200. But there's so many stocks that are at a discount. That's how you have to think of it. It's a discount. Take advantage of it. But, if we know it's going to drop lower because of the administration and everything that's going on, and if we know that earnings is coming up and it tends to drop lower on earnings as well, I mean, that's a double whammy right there. Let's just wait. Let it come down before we buy.